Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. At least I hope better than me. A nice shooting pain right up my leg. Feels awesome. Says me never. I got this tarp I wanted to go over with you. But before I get over that, company is called LOOGU, and I want to take this opportunity to extend my apologies to them and appreciate their patience waiting for me to finally get to this video. Just, you know, as I mentioned, I've just been crazy busy, and I walk around in daily pain, so it's been tough getting out. Like right now, my leg is just ravaged with it just hurts. I mean, I don't know how else to explain it. Anyway, so these guys, so I requested the 10x10 tarp, which I'm going to open up here and show you guys. It was $39.99. I'll make sure to link all their Amazon, the tarp itself, their page. They have different sizes: 6x6, 8x8, 10x8. You know, I chose the 10x10. I feel like 10x10 is the most versatile size tarp, just for shelter. Plus you get a little hanging off the end for like gear and whatnot. So they also offer a wide variety of clothing and camo netting for like hunting, or like I was actually watching a video the other day. A couple guys were out there turkey hunting, and they had the blind set up, so they've got some of that. Yeah, all kinds of cool stuff. So my battery's actually flashing, and I didn't bring a spare battery, so let's get the tarp open before I run out of battery. It would be really messed up to run out of the battery. I filmed a cast on Wednesday, but I thought I had more battery, and I didn't bring any spares. So I'm going to be seeing this for myself for the first time. So, there we go. Guys said 10x10 heavy duty waterproof. I believe this was what were the mils on it? 100% polyester. I believe it was 10 mil. I certainly like the camouflage color on it. That's pretty sweet. They got the packaging here, so they should have some multi-purpose tarp, tear resistant. So you could use it roof, firewood, all kinds of things. Put under a tent in different languages. Alright, so they got these reinforced corners that I really like. Nice big grommets. Let's get this sucker spread out. Let me see how many grommets it has. So here it is all laid out. This is the underside, so it's all brown. And fairly good amount of grommets. Let's see, 3, 6 per side. I noticed there wasn't one dead center, but you know, that's okay. So let me flip it over. I'll do that off camera, so you don't have to watch me do it. Alright, I hope the sun isn't glaring too much, but that's the camo pattern, which I actually really like. I think it's a good looking tarp. It'd be nice to take camping, but we'll have to see what's going to go with that. But you know, camping besides, you know, if you're just looking to cover things, it's a nice heavy duty tarp. Lots of tie down points. I think it was 10 mil. You could do shelters, you could cover up in firewood pile, AV, you know, whatever you got. Put it over your vehicle. Or just do like a privacy blind. Keep it from peeking in while you're showering or cleaning up or just changing your clothes, whatever. course, I wouldn't put a tent on top of it unless I tuck the sides in under the tent, unless this is going to be a nice day, like no rain, because you wouldn't want rain hitting it and rolling under the tent, of course, because that would suck. But it's a good looking tarp, I think. I mean, the price on this one for the 10x10 was for $39.99, which I think is pretty reasonable for what you get. The nice camo colors are pretty crisp and clear. Yeah, I think it'd be a good tarp if I ever get out to use it. All right, well, that's the tarp. Like I said, I like it. I mean, it's not still nylon, but it's, you know, it's not going to rip as easy either. And I am incorrect about something, and I do apologize. It's only 9 mil thick, not 10 mil, like I said, because it was right on the thing. My bad. So, still, you know, 40 bucks, not too bad, not too badly priced, I think. All right, sorry for the abrupt, you know, camera battery died on me, so I'm home now. Enjoying a nice Arizona iced tea. Cheers to one and all. Anyway, I do want to thank you for watching, and all the links will be down below in the description. You know, I'll try to get multiple links, one for their whole store, and then one for the tarp as well. And you know, don't forget to read the reviews, both good and bad. I always like to see what people think badly about products. So anyway, thanks again for watching. Hope you're enjoying your summer, and we'll catch you next one. Probably cast on Wednesday, which I gotta shoot today for this coming Wednesday. So I'm actually shot this video on the same day I'm gonna upload it. So I'm gonna get busy editing, and then I'll upload it today, and see you later.